Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 kilometers. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and seat memory. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.